Hello, Chef here. I'm in one of the kitchens and I thought I would share some information with you to help you make better decisions when you're shopping, as well as save you money in this economy. Yeah, food's getting expensive. So the first thing I'm going to talk about here is chicken. Selecting chicken and fresh chicken, where to buy, how to handle, and how to process for maximum flavor. Is because what's in the package. It's not the price as much as what I'm getting is what I like. This is really good chicken. Bought it there before. And it's not just the price, it's the quality. That's what I'm looking for, is the quality. These are beautiful boneless, skinless breasts. They're big. Yes, there's some rib meat on there, that's okay. A little bit of fat, that's okay. Gets trimmed off and processed. Watch some of my other videos and you're going to find all kinds of other cool things about chicken. And you're going to learn a lot more. First thing you got to do is subscribe right here. Hello, Chef here. I'm just in one of the kitchens and I'm getting ready to process some chicken. Thought I would share this with you. There's some valuable skills and tricks here, and you should learn some of these. First thing is, these large boneless, skinless chicken breasts were awesome and a great deal. $2.49 a pound. You can't beat that. I'm gonna use my boning knife and I'm gonna get underneath this silver skin here and remove this little bit of silver skin, and of course this is still going to be used for something. What? Right here. My bag of stock. Scraps go in there. This goes in the freezer. When I'm making chicken soup, I've got the full flavor. Same thing right here. Remove this a little bit, and the rest of this is looking pretty good. You know, however, there's a small piece of silver skin hiding right in here. We want to remove that as well. Just like this. Okay? Good to go. That right there. Oh, another piece. Okay. Yep, got it. That right there is a beautiful, clean piece of chicken breast ready to go. Oh, the chicken scraps go in the freezer. I'll be making soup. Search soup on this channel and check out some of the amazing videos. By the way, this is what a master chef does in France, in Italy, in Europe, in the United States. We save our scraps for soup. That's a free chef tip for you right there. Ah, the boneless, skinless breasts. Ready to go to the next step. And for that, I'll move to a new location. This awesome end grain butcher block. Of course, I got it from the sponsor. Right there. So to protect the butcher block, we oil it monthly, we clean it, and we use it. I'm going to put a piece of plastic on here, very unusual. I don't want to get chicken juice all over the place. That's the only reason I'm using this. Now, the next step I'm going to be doing is processing the chicken breasts into usable cutlets. So for that, you take your chicken breasts like so, and you decide what a good portion is. This is about 6 ounces here. I'm going to cut it right here. Okay, after I make that cut, these pieces are ready to go. However, this one's a little thicker. I'm going to give a little butterfly like this, okay? These 2 pieces are ready to go to the next step. Okay, I have processed all of my chicken to smaller cutlets. Now, the next step involves a word you should be familiar with by now, especially on this channel. Right here. Recycle. This plastic bag was from the grocery store. You put your meat in it and then you use it again. I'll show you how. The inside is clean. No need to worry about the cleanliness. The main thing is I don't want to get salmonella or bacteria all over the place. Continually wash your hands. Search how to wash your hands on this channel and learn the right way. I taught sanitation classes culinary arts for decades, and I'm still teaching how to wash your hands. Very important. Okay, so now I take my recycled bag, I add my chicken to the bag, 2 pieces right in there, remove this. This was mostly for demonstration purposes, shows up really good. And now I got this awesome chicken breast ready to go. Give a little tap. Just like that. And right there, that's what chef's looking for. On to the next step. Oh yeah, all done with that step. And there is my chicken. All processed, ready to go. Nice cutlets. Be sure to visit Aldi and score some of this. I'm working on them for a sponsorship. Aldi, if you're listening, reach out. Chef could help you tremendously boost your sales. And wow, this chicken's gonna be good. And what a deal it was. Subscribe right here. Follow along. Watch the chef's next video. I'll be turning this into something succulent, juicy, tender, and wonderful. Oh yeah. Check your sponsor. Best blocks in the world right there. It's gonna be good. Oh yeah, get cooking and follow along. Watch the next video and you're gonna learn more. Really, really nice. A few things about this. This is harvested from sustainably renewable forestry. This is the best quality block you can buy if you want to have a walnut. An end grain is maybe easier on the knife. Makes an interesting sound when the knife's cutting and chopping and rocking back and forth. A lot of chefs prefer it. It's really cool. It's also aesthetically pleasing. Visually, wow, really, really nice. So if you're looking to upgrade and move up to something like this, super high quality, I recommend you check out the sponsor right there. They got these babies in stock. They get them to you quick. Sometimes they're made to order. There's all different sizes. Anyway, a few things. I want to move on here and give you a couple of tips. So people have often asked me, Chef, what about feet on a cutting board? Well, it makes sense. If your cutting board's going to slide or wiggle around on your surface, especially if you have granite or marble or stone or all these different synthetics, and sometimes the cutting board wiggles and slides while you're using it. You've seen it. It gets dangerous. That's where I recommend checking out the sponsor. They got this exclusive on these custom rubber feet. These are about 2 inches diameter and they're about 3/4 of an inch thick. They're going to do a few things for you. They're going to give you clearance. I'll put a few under here right now for you. They're going to give you clearance. They're going to make it non-slip. And they're also going to let the humidity, the moisture, and the air flow around your cutting board. There you go. Nice air gap there. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. So you can caulk these on one side. You can just set them on like I did. You know, we've had people use screws or nails or attach them that way. However, whatever you want to do. But the main thing is the air gap. It's nice. I like it. This cutting board, by the way, is reversible. You can easily pick it up, flip it over, use the other side. And wow, really nice. Should last you easily a lifetime if you take care of it. Keep it out of the sink, oil it regularly, and it's going to be good. A couple more tips for you here. Let's see, what do I got? I got the board cream, and I got the mystery oil. 2 products you should have in your kitchen with the best block. Yeah. I'll be back with more. Subscribe right here. Check out more on this channel. Learn all kinds of expert cooking tips and tricks from certified chefs. We've got all kinds of chefs visiting, coming and going on this channel.